Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting now? Plug the Google camera into power and wait for the LED pattern that signals setup mode. Open the Google Home app on your phone and sign in. Once done, tap Add Device and select Setup Device. The app will scan for nearby cameras. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz Wi-Fi network you intend to use, because many cameras don't support 5 GHz during setup. Keep camera and phone close to the router for reliability. Now follow the app step-by-step connection flow, scan the camera's QR code, or accept the device found by Bluetooth. The app will ask you to select your Wi-Fi network. Choose the 4 GHz SSID and type the password exactly, because case and symbols matter. Once you confirm, the camera negotiates with your router and may download firmware. Do not unplug it. Interruptions can stall setup. If a firmware update occurs, let it finish before moving the camera to its final position. Finish by assigning a room and giving the camera a clear name so you can find it later. Test live view, audio, and motion alerts while the camera is still accessible. Make adjustments to sensitivity and privacy zones. Once satisfied, mount or place the camera. If the camera fails to connect, reboot your router and phone, then try setup again. If problems persist, factory reset the camera using the pinhole button and repeat the process. This clears old network settings and often...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.